chapter 10th, first verse. So we completed 9 chapters with your support and blessings, and we start 10th chapter, Vibhuti Yog. Shri Bhagavan Uvach, the Blessed Lord spoke. Bhuya eva mahabaho, shunu me paramam vachah, yatte aham priyamanaya, vakshyami hitakamya. So out of my love for you, Arjuna, Krishna is saying to Arjuna, out of my love for you, I'm going to continue sharing more and more secrets about my existence everywhere. Bhuya ev Mahabaho. Again, O Mahabaho, O the great armed one, a great warrior. Shunu me paramam vacha. Listen to my ultimate supreme statements, words. Yatte aham priyamana, because you are my favorite. Vakshyami hit. For your welfare, for your own benefit, I'm going to speak now. Verse 2, chapter 10. Name viduhu surganaha. Prabhavam na maharshayah. Aham adihi hi devanam. Maharshinam cha sarvashah. People don't know me. Scholars have no idea about me. Gods don't know about me, about my ultimate origin. I'm the origin of everything, but people don't know me. Gods don't know me. Scholars don't know me. The great sages don't know me. Maharshya. Aham adihi devanam. I'm the beginning of all the gods. Maharshinam cha sarvasha. And including all the great sages were all born out of me, but they may not realize this. Verse 3. Yomam ajam anadicha. Vetti lok maheshwaram asamudha sa martyeshu sarva papaihi pramuchyate. Yomam ajam anadi cha. I am the beginningless. I'm not born, unborn, ajam, anadi, beginningless. Vetti. One whoever knows me as the ultimate beginning without birth, one who was never born, as the Lok Maheshwara, as the supreme lord of this universe. Asamudha, that will no longer be deluded. Samudha is deluded, so asamudha, na marteshu, among the mortals, that person will no longer be deluded. Sarva papaihi pramuchyate, and that person will be freed from all kinds of negative karmas, sins and papas. Verse 4. Buddhi jnanam asamoha, kshama satyam damah shamah, sukham dukham bhavah abhavah, bhayam cha abhayam evacha. So I am everything. I am the buddhi, intellect, jnanam, knowledge, asamoha, non-delusion, freedom from delusion, kshama, forgiveness, satyam, truth, damaha, self-restraint, shamaha, tranquility, sukham, pleasure, dukham, pain, bhavaha, abhav, birth and death, bhayam cha abhayam, fear and fearlessness. I am everything. All these qualities are born out of me. Verse 5. Ahimsa samata tushtim tapah danam yashah ayashah bhavanti bhava bhutanam matta eva pratyagvida. Different kinds of qualities arise from me. Matta, ablative, from me. What are those qualities, attributes? Ahimsa, non-violence, samata, equanimity, tushtim, self-contentment, tapaha, austerities, danam, donations, charity, yasha, that is fame, ayasha, disrepute, bhavanti bhava bhutanam. All the beings have these qualities born out of me. Matta eva pratyagvita. Verse 6, chapter 10. Maharshayah sapta purve chatvarah manavah tatha madbhava manasa jata yesham lok imaha praja. So from me derived the primordial 4 great sages, Maharshya, Purve, primordial, in the prehistoric times. The 7 great sages arose from me. Chatvaraha Manvasa, 4 Manus also originated from me, the 4 Manus that divided the entire planet among them, so 4 kingdoms. Madbhava Manasa, they were my Manas Putraha. They were derived from my mind. Yesham Lok Imaha Praja. And the Lok, the people, the subjects of this planet, all derived from me, originated from me, my mind. Manas Putraha. Verse 7th. Etam vibhuti yogam cha samayo vetti tatvatah sa avikampena yogena yujjate na atra sanshayah. So this is my vibhuti yoga. This is the yoga of my glory, my manifested glory and power. Whoever knows this truth, mama yaha vetti tatvatah, by truth, the ultimate truth, whoever knows this ultimate truth, avikampena yoga, without any wavering, unwavering yoga, avikampen, campaign and avikampen, unwavering yoga, that person will be united with me immediately, without doubt. Yujyate na atra sanshaya. No doubt about that. It's undoubtable that that person will be always united with me if that person realizes my this Vibhuti Yoga, that I make possible all these qualities, all these people are all born out of me. That completes our first 7 verses of chapter 10.